Hello everybody, this is Andy Lopez, the Invisible Gardener. This is a Soil Health Series, 10 tips on healing your trees. Today we're going to be covering tip 1, and that's going to be the soil. Here's a list of the 10 tips that we will be covering in this series, so don't forget to subscribe. Here is the first tip, the soil. So we want to restore the biology of the soil. So today I'm going to show you how to bring your soil back to life. So let's just go over this. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is stop using chemical fertilizers. Actually, I'm going to tell you stop using any type of chemicals that destroys the soil, the health of the soil. The second thing I tell you is start using organic fertilizers. They're all very, very good. You just have to find one you like. So a lot of them have a different variety of endo and ecto microorganisms and other good stuff in it. Then I want you to start adding biochar. Look it up. Biochar is a form of carbon. Our organisms need the carbon, so it's very good. Then add organic matter, from leaves, grass clippings, all those things you have on your property, don't throw them away. You also want to learn about what's the difference between live compost and when the compost is not alive. I mean, compost always has something in it, but live compost has some microbes. Make sure you have mineral sources to the soil you actually want to add to compost. And now I'm going to tell you what the most important tip of the day is. So today's most important tip is heal the soil by adding live microbes. So you can buy microbes online. They're not exactly not alive. They may be in a suspended state, or they may not be functioning at all. So you want to learn, and I will teach you how to grow your own live microbes in the series coming up soon. So bring your soil back to life. The health of the soil is important. So if you want to have healthy trees, you have to have healthy soil. There's a series coming up on exactly how to deal with pests and diseases on your trees and pests, so don't forget to make sure you subscribe. Heal the soil and you heal yourself. So the whole series coming up on exactly that, and you can have healthy body. So thank you very much. Make sure you like and subscribe and share, and of course you feel free to make comments on the description below. All right? Thank you very much, and happy growing organically, of course. Bye now.